kind of training on how to use Canva. Now, I will say I have the pro account, which gives me some additional features and whatnot. I think I pay $12 a month for this, which is 100% worth it for me. So what I will say first is you're going to figure out what kind of design you want to make. So a lot of times I'll do this Facebook post here, but you can scroll through and you can even find, like, if you want to do it for your story, there's an Instagram story, or you can just click your story and that will create it in the size you need. So it really comes down to what size you need and what you're going to use it for. So let's do Facebook post. All right, so when you go here, if you click design, it actually will give you all of these templates that you can use. Now, if it has that little crown on it, that means that is only the people that have Canva Pro can use those. So there's a lot of ones that are free. Just know if you want to use that, you have to have Canva Pro, or sometimes you'll pay like a one-time fee to use that. So you can easily go through here and use any of these templates, so you're not creating something from scratch. There's a lot of cool things, and some of these are even like videos, which, how cool is that? So if you're going to just start from scratch, okay, we have this, and let's say you want to add something like a photo like I did. Click on elements, and this is going to give you lines and shapes, so you can add shapes to it, graphics, stickers, photos, videos, charts, tables, frames, grids. I mean, there's so much that you can use, okay? So let's say the first thing we want to look for is Las Vegas, okay? So it'll give you options. It'll give you graphics, photos, or videos. So if you're just doing a Facebook post, I would probably do like photos or graphics. If you're using this for your story where videos are great, then you might want to use a video for that. So let's go here. And these are the options. So you see this is free, this one's free, but these are paid pro options. So just keep that into mind. So if I go here, I want to use this design. Now you can either adjust it so it's going to be the full thing, or if you bring this over and kind of hover it over, it will automatically become the full thing. Then to adjust it, you can easily go in and double tap it and kind of adjust where you want it to sit. Now, other things that you can do to this image, if you click edit image, is you can go in here and you can just adjust different things like the brightness, contrast, colors, all of that. One thing that I love to do that kind of is great sometimes is you can adjust the blur. So if you just want this to be a nice little background, you can do that. Or you can go up here where it says transparency. You can adjust the transparency where it looks a little bit more see-through if there was another picture behind this. So let's blur this just a slight tad, okay? And then let's go back to our elements and let's go to frames. So scroll down here, click see all, and if you know what like shape you want, you can type it in. I want a circle, so there's all these options. And these are frames that you're gonna add photos to. So just scroll down until you find the one that you want. Ooh, this one's fun. It has gold. Okay, that's fun. All right, so you found your frame. Now let's go to uploads. This is where you add your own photos onto this platform. So I've already added a whole bunch of photos, as you see here. So you're going to click upload files, choose them from your computer, and then they'll upload here. You can also upload videos and audio as well. So let's get this photo. You're going to drag it over on top of the frame. And there you go. You can kind of turn it if you want to adjust it there. And you can double click it and you can adjust the person photo in there just like that. Now let's say we want to adjust this, make this a little bit bigger. You could do that as well. Perfect. All right. And you can even animate this too, which is a little fun, especially if you're going to use it for story, but for Facebook posts, this is fine. We can do a Facebook story idea later. All right, so let's add some text. So you click on text and you can just start by just clicking on, add text. That's really that simple. So let's say Vegas. I'm just going to capitalize this because that looks fun. And then let's go up here where you see the color, and it will automatically show you some colors that are already in the photo, which is fun. So you can choose that, or you can click here and choose your own color, One thing that I love to do is pull colors from the photo. So if you click on this like little drop, you can go over and choose any color that's in the photo. Like if you wanted to do gold, boom, how fun is that? So this little dropper can allow you to choose any color that's in the photo. All right, so we've added the text. Now there are fun effects you can add here. Click effects, and you can just play around with these different. So this one allows you to have a shadow behind it, which you can't see because it's already dark. But if I put it up here, you can see there's a shadow, no shadow. So that's fun. Let's go back to normal. Or I love this neon thing, because this gives you kind of like that neon vibe to it. How fun is that? Love it. Kind of like the gold vibe that we have going on here. So let's click another text. Okay, let's just do normal. Let's make this white. And let's see. So you click here, you can choose different fonts. You can even click, what is it? There's another thing I was going to show you, but let's just go to this one. So there's so many fonts that you can choose from. Some of them are pro options too, so keep that in mind. Okay, I'm just going to add this on here. I think I'm going to make Vegas darker so that you can see. There we go. And then you can adjust either one. Now, let's say you wanted the Vegas to be in the front and this one to be in the back, or let's say you have a photo and you want a photo to be in the front. So you can go up here, click more, and position. You can easily change and make something go backward or forward. Easily like that. But those are like the main things that I would use this platform for. Is you can easily go in and adjust things, make your photos like so. The other options that the Pro has are, let me find a photo of me. Okay, so let's say I love this photo, but I want to remove the background. You can easily go in here. On the Pro feature, it gives you the background remover option. So you can remove the background in your photos. But this is only on the Pro feature. So I pay like $12 a month to have this option where I can remove the background of my photos. So cute, right? So like that's, oh, don't do that. Can you imagine if I was on your photo like that? And if you want, you can click erase or restore, and you can go in and let's say there was like a piece that messed up. You could always go in and erase parts of it or restore parts of it manually. Okay, so click apply. And then you can add a shadow to that photo. Let's do glow. And I think this is I kind of like having this on top of your photo. It just makes it more fun. You can have that glow. There's drop. There's just different kinds of shadows you can add to your photos. All right, there it is. There is your photo. You go over here, click share, and just download it to your computer or your phone or whatever. I will say that your computer or desktop gives you a lot more options than your phone. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.